Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. We finally have a decent day outside. This is a vehicle that's just ready to go back home to our customer. This is a 1964 Chevrolet short bed step side, and it had quite a few paint flaws and chips, and it was damaged in storage. So when you had it in winter storage, there was a couple of parcels that dropped on it, and it needed quite a bit of work. So basically what we've done is we took all the trim off, all the chrome, removed all of the bed assembly, the bed sides, tailgate, and all that sort of neat stuff. And just wanted to share with you, we'll just walk around just briefly with the sun being out. So we didn't do actual metal work on it. The metal work was done previously, and it had more of a quickie kind of paint job done before. So now what we've done, this is a General Motors color. It's a base coat, clear coat finish. Hopefully it shows up in the camera. So it's a cross between a blue and a green. And then we've done this lighter green metallic, which really, in my opinion, accentuates the roof line on this style of car in this series of the Chev trucks. We had that lower running board panel, it bolts on, and it was really rusty, and all the paint was chipped and peeling. So to do these thoroughly and correctly, you basically disassemble everything. So if those of you are interested in seeing the breakdown, we have photos of this with it all disassembled. If you'd like to see how they come apart, but basically the fenders unbolt, the running boards unbolt, and then everything kind of comes off as a unit. We had the bed completely apart, and then our customer works with wood. I believe he's a cabinet maker. He did a wonderful job refinishing the board. So we gave him the boards once it was all disassembled. He stained and cleared it, and then dropped them back off, and we were able to put it all back together for him. You can see the nice two-tone in the back of the tailgate. That's all painted on, which is kind of a nice feature. These are quite a nice style truck, I think. They're quite popular, and it's got kind of moving forward style with the fenders. You can see the way the fenders are tapered back. And we've got some stainless steel hardware. They had a lot of just normal hardware in it, and we use stainless steel bolts instead of regular bolts. So these will always rust in here. So the guys and gal did a really nice job with that. You can see how clean the seams are for the bed. So after it was sandblasted and epoxied and painted, they really like to do a nice job on that seam. Hopefully it comes up, because normally it's kind of a rough looking area there where they're kind of shoddy. So, and then same thing here, if you don't point it out, you can see how crisp the line is in the seam. So what they do is they use masking tape, and we use a commercial grade seam sealer before they do the priming and the painting. So it just seems to clean it up quite a bit nicer. And then you can see obviously the little bit of the two-tone, I think, just breaks it up a little bit. It's pretty sharp. So this is a 64 Chevrolet truck with a newer Chev green. Both of these are a GM color, just not period correct for 64. So I think our customers are going to be pretty excited about it. If the camera person kind of comes over this way by the road, and you get kind of a profile shot, I guess she's trying to tell me that the sun, I guess, is why she's shaking her head. So if you get the side profile, it looks pretty smart, I think. So nice chrome. He's going to do some more detailing later on it, but kind of a nice style. So this is quite a nice paint finish. So thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.